You probably can't really see me, well, except for my teeth, but I'm outside, and it's like 4 or 5 in the morning, and it's raining, and I love it so much. Yeah, I've just been sitting out here with a blanket. I've just been, I don't know, listening to the rain. Oh my gosh, I love the rain so much. I'm surprised I'm not soaked though, because it's coming down kind of hard right now. I don't know. I'm wearing a hat, and I have a thick blanket, so that's cool. But yeah, hope you're having a great time in California. Take some pictures of some palm trees for me. Okay, well, I'm gonna continue sitting here in the rain while you sleep in California. Okay, hurry back, I missed you. Tell Gabby I said hi. Bye.